Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to do the SBI PO online form filling. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. First, open your browser and type in sbi.co.in. Now you've reached SBI's official website. If you want a direct link to this page, I'll add it in the description. You can use that to quickly access the website. Now scroll down the page and at the bottom you'll see the careers option. Click on that. Next, as shown in the video, click on Current Openings. Then find and click on Recruitment of PO, and after that, click on Apply Now. You'll now be taken to the registration window. If you're a new candidate, click on Click here for new registration to get started.
You will now see a registration form. Let's say your name is Krishna Priya M. First name. Type Krishna as the first name. Type Krishna again to confirm your first name. Type middle name Priya. Type again to confirm. Last name M. If you don't have a middle name, leave it blank. Next, enter your mobile number. Type again to confirm mobile number. Enter your email ID. Here you need to type the first part of your email address and add the domain. Type the email ID again in full to confirm. Enter the CAPTCHA and click on Save and Next. Step 2. Upload photograph and signature. I have already completed this step, but here is how you can do it. First, you will be asked to upload your passport size photo. Make sure it's clear and recently taken. If you're having trouble resetting your photo and signature, I have made a separate video for it on the channel. I can add it to the I button. Select and upload your photo. Next, upload your signature. It should be written in black ink on white paper. There is also a video on the channel on how to resize the signature. If you want, visit that too. I can add it to the I button. You can tap Capture Now to take a live photo or scan the QR code with your phone to upload directly. Once both files are uploaded, simply click Next to continue. Step 3. Fill basic detail. On the next screen, select your category. For example, if you are from the OBC category, choose that and enter your caste. If you are from General, select that. If you are not a benchmark disabled person, select No. Now select your religion, for example. If you are not a minority, select that. If you are not an ex-serviceman, select No. How many times have you appeared for the SBI PO main exam? If it's your first time, write 0. If once before, write 1. Do you have any loan defaults or bad credit history? If not, choose No. Do you have any character-related issues or legal records? Choose No if none. Are you currently employed in a bank? If not, select No. Are you a fresher? If yes, continue accordingly.
Ensure that you are eligible to apply. If you have a PAN card, type its number. I don't have a PAN card, so I am not entering. Step 4. Choose nationality and exam preferences. Nationality, Indian. State, select your state. Now you have to choose the state and examination center for the main and preliminary exams. State, examination center. Select ID proof like Aadhaar card. I am selecting Aadhaar. Aadhaar will be the best option. Enter your ID number accurately. How did you hear about this job? Choose social media or YouTube. Step 5. Enter date of birth and personal details. Age should be between 21 to 30 years. For example, birth year 1998 equals age is valid. Gender, male or female. Did you have brother or sister? Select yes or no. Marital status, single or married. Next, enter your father's name. First name Arum, middle name P, last name K. Type your mother's name in the same way. Step 7. Address details. Enter correspondence and permanent address. Write your address. Click here if it's the same address. Step 8. Educational qualifications. Let's say degree in BSc Mathematics. Past. Science. University of Calicut. Kozhikode. Passing month. Passing year. Percentage 72%. Class first class. If you haven't done PG or extra qualifications, leave blank. Step 9. Pre-exam training PET. Only for SC, ST, OBC or PWD candidates. If not applicable, select no. Step 10. Language proficiency. Let's say you know Hindi, English and Malayalam. Tick read, write and speak. Click Save and Next. Now you can see the complete review of your application. Double-check all information. Make sure your photo, signature and documents are clear. Verify Aadhaar number, percentage and spelling. After reading, click the Declaration button and then click Complete Registration.
Now we will reach the window where we need to add the thumb impression and handwritten declaration. Now we need to add the thumb impression. To do that, you can read the instructions. Click on Document Guides. We need the handwritten declaration and thumb impression in the format shown there. Now, let's add the prepared thumb impression. For that, select the file. Next is the handwritten declaration. For that, select the file. Upload it. After uploading, enter the CAPTCHA code. Click Save and Next. Now, you will reach the payment window. Make the payment and submit.
After submission, confirmation will be sent to your mobile and email ID.